What if I told you that one simple move could reveal more about your strength and fitness than almost any other exercise? Push-ups aren't just about your chest. They demand power from your shoulders, triceps, core, and even your mental toughness. That's why they've stood the test of time, used everywhere from military fitness tests to police academies and even in schools as the ultimate measure of strength, discipline, and endurance. The best part? Push-ups don't require a gym, expensive equipment, or hours of training. You can do them anywhere, in your bedroom, your living room, or even outside on the ground. And with the right approach, they can transform your upper body, build explosive strength, and skyrocket your endurance. But here's the problem. Most people hit a wall. They crank out a few sets, but their numbers stop going up. Sound familiar? That's exactly what happened to me. But once I discovered the right techniques, I was able to multiply my push-up count by 5, even 10 times faster than I thought possible. In this video, I'll share with you 10 powerful tips that will help you break through plateaus, increase your reps, and unlock strength you didn't even know you had. Stick with me until the end because tip number 7 is the real game changer. Let's get started. The first important thing is to make sure you're performing push-ups correctly with proper form. This may sound like common sense, but you wouldn't believe how many people get it wrong. One common mistake is not bracing the core, which causes the spine to round either up or down instead of staying neutral. This can not only lead to lower back injury, but also make the exercise either easier if hips drop, or harder if hips rise. Another mistake is flaring your elbows out too far. Keep them at about a 45-degree angle from your body. A simple trick is to slightly rotate your hands outward before placing them on the ground. This naturally brings the elbows in. A third mistake beginners often make is keeping their hands too narrow. While this is great for targeting the triceps, it reduces the total number of reps you can do. Here's how to do push-ups properly. Get down on all fours, rotate your hands slightly outward, and place them just wider than shoulder width. Plant your toes into the ground, brace your core and glutes, and keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Lower yourself until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push back up until your elbows lock out. Now let's talk about tips to improve your push-up numbers. One of the most overlooked but powerful strategies is to lose excess body fat. Remember, during a push-up, you're lifting about 64% of your body weight. The more you weigh, the harder it becomes. This is why gymnasts and calisthenics athletes, who usually have low body fat, can perform push-ups with ease. If you're a beginner, start with kneeling or incline push-ups. These reduce the load to about 41 to 49% of your body weight, making it easier to build strength and work toward full push-ups. Even advanced athletes can benefit by dropping to their knees after failure. This works like a drop set in weightlifting and pushes your muscles further. Once you can do more than 15 push-ups, you'll need to overload with advanced variations. Elevating your feet, for example, shifts more weight onto your upper body, making the push-ups significantly harder and building more strength. You can also use resistance bands to challenge your muscles through the full range of motion and eliminate sticking points. Don't forget about your core strength. A weak core makes push-ups sloppy and inefficient. Static core exercises like planks and ab wheel rollouts carry over much better to push-up strength than crunches or leg raises. Another key principle is progressive overload. Always look for ways to do a little more each session, whether that's extra reps, more sets, or added resistance like a weighted backpack. Over time, these small increases add up to major improvements. To speed up progress, practice push-ups more often. Doing them 3 to 4 times per week builds strength and efficiency faster than just once a week. Think of it like a skill. The more often you practice, the better and stronger you get. Weight training can also help. Exercises like the bench press and dumbbell press increase maximal pushing strength, which translates into easier, higher rep push-ups. Don't think of them as separate, they actually complement each other. Finally, the most important factor, consistency. Real progress doesn't happen overnight, but if you stay dedicated, the results will speak for themselves. Push for steady improvement, don't rush the process, and keep showing up. That's how lasting strength is built. And here's one last golden tip. Always prioritize push-ups at the very start of your workout if they're your main goal. That way, you'll hit them with full energy and focus instead of trying to squeeze them in when you're already tired. So now it's your turn. Apply these tips, stay consistent, and watch your numbers climb higher than you ever thought possible. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe for more no-nonsense training advice, and drop a comment letting me know how many push-ups you're aiming for next. Stay strong, keep pushing, and I'll see you in the next one.